Hi children, it's Miss Graham here. I'm going to share a story today with you that's part of a series of stories called the Supertato books. This one is called Supertato Veggies Assemble. It's written by Sue Hendra and Paul Lynette, and it is published by Simon & Schuster UK Limited. It was night time in the supermarket and everyone was sleeping peacefully. Or were they? Someone was looking for trouble. Mwahaha! Soon this supermarket will be mine, all mine. And with one click, all the freezers were switched off. Gasp! You may already know this, but some vegetables are frozen for a very good reason. If they defrost, they turn bad, really bad. And the baddest of them all is the evil pea. Wakey, wakey, he called. One evil pea is bad enough, but now there were bags of them. The supermarket was in meltdown. Run for it, panicked Pepper. Save me, stuttered Pear. Save me, begged Melon. Save me, cried Carrot. I'm melting, pleaded Lolly, and time's running out. Was there anyone who could save them? Supertato to the rescue! But before Supertato could save anyone, he was attacked by a swarm of peas. What's going on? Asked Aubergine. We're doomed, that's what, cried Cucumber. Things were going from bad to worse. Supertato was thrown onto the conveyor belt, and he was heading straight for the bagging area. Was this the end for Supertato? I'm going to need some backup. If I can just call the Super Veggies to the rescue. They used ninja know-how. Hiya! They used massive muscles. Rrr. They used fancy footwork. And they used a box with a door cut in it. Pea party. But what about the lollies? And where was Supertato? Sorry I'm late. I just needed to pick up some dessert. And now for those freezers. And I'll be needing a glass and a piece of paper. Eh? Who ordered the vegetables? Screeched the evil pea. You think you've beaten me, but I'm going to... You're going to what? Asked Supertato. 3 cheers for Supertato, shouted Broccoli. Supertato blushed. I couldn't have done it without the super veggies. Actually, I'm not a vegetable, I'm a fruit, said Tomato, and everybody laughed and cheered. So, with the peas back in their bags and the freezers locked, the supermarket was once again a safe place to be. Isn't it wonderful, said one lolly to the other. We're all back to normal again. Thank you for listening to that story, guys. I hope you're all well and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.